Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best chipper shredder that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best chipper shredder. Most municipalities have now outlawed these disposal methods in residential neighborhoods, and as homeowners become more aware of the benefits that such debris offers as compost or mulch, there is an increasing demand for chipper shredders. Number 5. Works WG 430 13-amp electric leaf mulcher. Is equipped with a powerful 13-amp, 120 volts motor that will shred the volume of your raked leaves to 1/11 of their original size. Main features: can mulch 53 gallons per minute. Type of bag: storage, quick tool-free assembly. Number 4. Sunjo SDJ6 16/16:1 reduction electric leaf mulcher. It is a powerful machine. It boasts a 13-amp motor that can reach 8,000 revolutions per minute. Main features: 13-amp motor can reach 8,000 RPMs. Dry yard debris. Dust reducing motor cooling system. Number 3. Flowtron LE900 the ultimate mulcher electric leaf shredder. It has won praise for its simple and user-friendly design. Weighing only 17 pounds, it is portable and easily be moved. Main features: motor features built-in overload. The size of yard debris. Unit can be mounted to a garbage. Number 2. Lawnmaster FD1501 electric chipper shredder. It has a powerful 15-amp electric motor that is capable of handling garden trimmings, pine cones, and branches that are up to 1.5 in diameter. Main features: powerful 15-amp electric motor. Built-in overload protector. Included collection bag. Number 1. Patriot Products CSV 3100B gas-powered. It is one of the highest-rated chipper shredders. This chipper shredder boasts the top-of-the-line Briggs & Stratton Vanguard commercial power engine. Main features: 10 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Handle branches up to 3 in diameter. Super low-tone muffler to reduce noise. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.